Hey guys, I'm gonna be videoing and I really don't have anything to do. I hope you subscribe someday. Yeah, and this is like my only second video. I'm new to this subscription and things like that. So I'm hoping you like my other video and I will be making more. So yeah, just subscribe and yeah. Anyways, I really will be showing you how to draw. So let me turn this thing around. Hold on, I'm gonna be back. Okay.
Can we share the same shampoo? Is it okay if I cut off some of your hair so I can bring it home with me? Next. Hey, I'm Casey. So, do you like going to the movies, or? Yes. Hey, so, tell me why you think I should pick you to be my girlfriend. Well, and then a year into our relationship, you'll give me a...
Okay guys, I'm back. And let me start. Don't worry about that, okay? I have a pen. Get a black pen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw.
Hey, what's your name?
How to draw a unicorn.
It's okay, you don't need to be nervous.
Firstly, you start like this.
For my audition, I'd like to show you why you should choose me to be your girlfriend. I call this dance soulmates.
Just act for part 2. Like, I have to fix my camera, so please just subscribe and like. Thank you. And I hope for the video about guys the best. I just wanted to tell y'all are some, especially y'all Gotchaverse presents. I love Gotchaverse, and thank you if you subscribe. Those are the type of people I admire and desire. So be amazing, keep on doing what you're doing, and I'm out.